Hello everyone, my name is Patrick.
And welcome back to our The Worst Design Fail episode
2. Yeah, that was nailed it. First try too.
Yeah.
Oh my god, we're so good. Alright, let's just get started. So last time we left off at this fake VR.
Yes.
We caught them. Caught them in their lie. So let's see what is next. Enjoy the best of both worlds.
So it's like a chicken and a fish.
Chicken, fish, yeah.
But why this is the best of both worlds?
No, because you get...
So it's like something...
It's a restaurant maybe? So you get fish and meat?
Is it a restaurant in UK?
It looks like it. Ugh. The UK food, they take it to the next level. Huh? But yeah, they could have designed it so much better, but okay. And they paid a lot of money for that too.
Yeah. A squirrel?
Yeah, but it's like up his butt.
But this one is not that bad to me.
It's not that bad.
It's so cute to see a...
But they could have made it cuter. Him holding onto the tree would be cuter.
But wouldn't people think it is helping the tree?
No, okay, Yvonne. This girl, man. This girl. This outlet in a room in a kids-friendly hotel. Okay, that's...
Again,
you just plug it on this. You just plug it in.
Oh.
Oh God, no. Oh, okay, no.
But this one is like, it's because it's kind of like lower part of the lower part, so it doesn't really that bad if you think about it.
It looks pretty bad. But at least every time you open the door, taking it away from the baby.
Yeah, and I actually when you wipe the baby, you still do the thing. Like,
yeah,
you still have hands around.
But
you
don't. He's not using your hands. But okay. Very fun. Spotted at a local park on the play structure, teaching kids about the planets that revolve around the Earth.
Oh, this is so ancient. Must be someone who believes a different theory than the rest of the world.
The flat earthers got a job in park design for kids.
Yeah, some people believe that the Earth is flat, so.
Yeah, and this is him working.
This is what he believes, yeah.
And trying to spread it to kids. That's smart. That's smart. That's smart. I appreciate that. Solar powered, but under a shelter.
That's the part that you collect the sun.
Yeah, the sun. But there'll never be sun. This is like, but there's just a light there. Will the light work?
Yeah, because I thought this is the light part, the lighting part, and then the other part is somewhere else.
Yeah, but it's a solar panel though. I guess. Oh.
So this is like,
just
teach the children that, this is reality.
Yeah, sometimes life doesn't want you to do what you want.
Yeah, sometimes you see fun ahead of you, but there's no way that you can get to it.
It's like, make fun safe, go home and do homework.
Yeah.
Just go home. This is no more fun. That's enough fun for you.
Yeah.
Popcorn here. What? These ants are painted on... Oh, okay. The ants are painted on the table.
Ah. So they are just too real.
Too realistic? I think it's a good job then. I don't know. I don't know why they painted it. I understand painting it on the popcorn, but why randomly in spots all over the table?
Because they want to just scare you. Sometimes when you are browsing on your phone, some people they have their profile photo like some hair or some bugs, and it makes you think that there are hair or bugs on your phone.
Okay, I see.我听一下吧。
We start. Okay, next one.
Next one. See the hottest products trending this week, only in the Nike app.
There's mud on the shoe.
Yeah, it looks like poop.
Oh yeah.
It looks like you stepped on poop, but I guess. Yeah, just
maybe some people like it.
Fashion.
Yeah.
Fashion. Great, I can watch myself poop in 500 different dimensions.
That's funny, actually.
That's fun.
Yeah, I would like to try.
Yeah. Did you give it a go?
Yeah. Also,
it keeps like doing it. Well, that's. Just notice my watercolor set is named Fine Art. Fine Fart. Haha.
Oh, because they.
You use a big F for the.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, sure. Waste recycling. Oh, so one side it says waste, the other side says recycling. So so you see like recycling is on the right, this is on the right, waste is on the right. So if you're walking from one side, you put the recycling and you go from. But honestly, like I've gone to the malls and like they have the separate ones, but they just go to the same hole, the same trash.
Really?
Yeah.
I've never noticed that.
Like some of them do that. I'm like,
they just don't care about the recycling.
But it looks like they're
But you have to put something like that.
Yeah, some sketchy companies, eh?
Yeah.
Who came up with the numbering system? Who came up with the numbering system for this apartment block? So level 1, apartment 3738. Level 2, apartment 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Apartment 3, 3, 7, 8, 9. It's so
I don't know. This is probably for someone. It's just a game. Like the designer enjoys it. I don't know.
Yeah, that's so weird. It's like intentional almost.
I don't understand.
Gee, surprise.
And then
surprise plush inside. But then you can see what it is. So there's no surprise. I wonder what it is.
Probably there is surprise inside that bear.
Inside the bear. So he's actually opens up and there's actual.
Yeah. So this is just an image to draw you to the to the surprise thing. Yeah.
Well, I wonder what it is though.
Yeah, probably something you can squeeze out of the bear.
Okay. I guess.
Creepy?
I guess kind of. That's okay.
Horrible?
Yeah.
Oh, that donkey is so tired. Look.
Yeah, donkey. Have you ever watched Winnie the Pooh?
Not that much. Probably a couple of episodes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, you're watching Igor. You know actually what they said before is like they were like all based on like different drugs.
Oh really?
Yeah. So like. When like the tiger is always like super excited, so they say he's cocaine, and like Igor he's like always like lazy and like slimy, so he's like weed.
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing. Like he's kind of like.
Yeah, I don't know what it was for the other guys too, but. People are
Essential
people
ingredient. People are our essential ingredient.
Taco time. join us. Be a taco.
So you are the ingredient.
We're the special ingredient.
So
special
out
ingredient.
of you, we can make like 100 taco. Out of me, it's like only 20 tacos.
Sounds about right. That's why I'm worth more.
Yeah.
Valuable. Not the Christmas spurs I would have helped for. Oh, because
a ghost?
No, it looks like Ku Klux Klan.
What's the Ku Klux?
You don't know the KKK?
What's KKK?
Oh, it's like this, like a racist group of people. They call the Klan members, and they wear like white hoods like this and kill black people.
Oh.
Yeah.
Then this is not good design. This is the worst design.
Maybe if it's not in America, then people wouldn't understand. Like you didn't understand it.
Yeah, I don't know that.
But like they're famous for the white hoods, like the giant white.
So probably the designer doesn't know it too.
Yeah. So maybe innocent designer or evil designer. We don't know which one. Okay, if only I had some scissors to open the scissors. That's how they get you to buy two.
But so you can use that. Just
but then you can't open either of them.
Probably they just assume that you always have
scissors.
a scissor in your home.
But it's kind of weird to have a scissor that you need a scissor to open, Does he?
Yeah.
Did you buy scissors?
I don't remember that I got any scissor like packed like this.
Yeah. That's funny though.
What?
Ugh.
Oh, this is like someone have a loose
and then face the wall. Just face the wall.
Yeah.
It's like, oh no, it's really bad. And they face the wall.
It was like, oh, it's really bad. Oh, I have no time. Oh my god, it's coming out. And then this is the one.
Oh, that's the art piece. Would we sell this in our gallery? Find out on YKLM Auctions app.
Yeah, we might have that.
We have everything. So Sarah Lee doesn't like Sarah Lee. Because I'm guessing saying, oh, Sarah Lee. Who doesn't like Sarah Lee? But then they have the ramp blocking the...
But if it's who doesn't like Sarah Lee, shouldn't that be a question mark? But it's a period.
Yeah. Oh, so many things wrong with it.
Yeah.
Sarah
But
Lee.
you know, yeah. This is very philosophical because it's like people, they always hate themselves.
Oh,
They
maybe,
always-
maybe we're talking about that, huh?
Yeah, they always feel like there is something that they don't like about themselves, but we say that you should accept yourself.
Yeah.
You're perfect for
No,
yourself.
because what you think makes sense is a period, so it's a statement.
Yeah.
Like, Sarah Lee doesn't like Sarah Lee.
Yeah.
But buy our bread and you will like...
You were like bread.
Yeah. Bread so emo it slices itself. Oh no.
So the key.
So you dropped the key and it fell in the... Well, just don't drop a key. Like, how do you drop? Yeah, how do you drop a key?
Your only choice is just be careful.
Yeah. What grade are you in? So 26% of everything. So it's 104%.
So probably this designer is in his or her freshmanship, so that's why the
Yeah, that's
math
why
is
his
so
math
bad.
is not very. And the funny is they're all different sizes too. Like they're not even the same size. The two red lions have some shit. They're just very
They have very white teeth.
very white teeth.
Yeah, beautiful teeth.
Molest. So you know you press it and someone comes by. It's like every time you press the button, someone's just waiting. Like yes, press it, press it. His job is there all day, just waiting for someone to touch it,
Yeah. Oh, this is.
so he can touch you.
Ugh. Ugh.
There are so many things wrong with this.
Oh, I have something like this. I have a what do you call it? A mobile charger that
Yeah?
you just plug through.
Through the butthole.
Yeah. The button. I have one like that.
I think it's cute to have the Pikachu inside.
Yeah, because Pikachu has the electricity.
Yeah, but like, yeah, I guess the butthole is always not the best place to put it.
But where else?
You can put it on
Belly?
the foot. You can put it on the foot here. And plug in his
But-
foot, then it'll look weird though. But
I prefer this
You-
one.
you-
It looks
yeah,
so
yeah,
cute.
oh.
Yeah, it's so
you prefer
cute.
the butt, okay? Good guy. Okay, so this is a postcard. So let's read this. You will know, show you how to design lead.
No, this is like we will show you how to lead. You know how to design.
Oh.
That's why it shows like this. So because this is a bad design, they know it. So they're like, this is probably a school.
Yeah,
So
the
now-
school sent this though.
Yeah. So it's like, if you come to our school, you will design something that people understand.
Yeah, because we're bad at designing it, but you already know. That's good.
Yeah.
We'll show you how to lead, not design. Hey, I like that.
Yeah, this is a leadership.
Leadership. It's a leadership university, not an art school.
Yeah.
That's the more you know. Whore.
It should be where. Or
Oh, is it?
concept.
Yeah, where? Maybe.
Yeah, but it's just like the head is a little bit.
she's a dirty little.
It's interesting. They don't like when they design, they don't see it.
Maybe they saw it so they could get more like.
So they did it on purpose.
Maybe they
so
did it on
people
purpose.
just find it very interesting that they buy it.
Or maybe they're just bad at the jobs.
Just
I have
Just like us.
just like. Oh boy, syrup.
Correct.
Oh. No.
Oh, boy syrup.
Oh, boy syrup. Yeah, it's not oh boy syrup. It's oh boy syrup.
syrup. Oh, that's why. Because
That's
you
why.
have
That's
to...
why. That's why he looks like that. He's like, yeah, enjoy
Yeah.
my syrup. Yeah, put my syrup in your mouth. Oh yeah, he knows. He knows. He knows what's up. Don't know if this counts, but you can still see the Shutterstock watermark in their signs. Oh, you know, like Shutterstock, yeah, like those, like you get like free samples of everything. But if you don't pay for it, they have their logo on it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, we have the Shutterstock account as well.
Yeah, we have, but and like the same as us, we have like the YouTube Good Days who made this video, and not ours. So same thing. So great design.
Yeah.
I approved. Redirecting to the mobile site. Go to the what?
So this answers this, and the blue one answers the blue question.
Yeah. So go to the desktop site. Press yes or no. Go to the desktop site. But on the top it says redirecting to the mobile site.
So if you say yes,
It
so
goes
they're redirecting to the mobile side. If you want to go to the desktop website, you go to the blue button.
Yeah, it seems pretty.
It just takes a little bit of time for you to figure it out.
Yeah, but it's not that bad. But like they don't have a punctuation here. Like they don't have a space here, which is a little bit weird. But other than that,
Yeah.
it's fine. Yeah, I think it's fine. You expect better from like Air France though, like but.
Yeah.
Happy 2007. Oh. What?
So good that you have traveled through time.
Yo,
Go to
this
the future.
future glasses.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas. Oh.
This one's not too bad because it's still a little bit far away from
Yeah.
the man.
What's that? This is the whole thing.
They're passing it
Passing
behind the ribbon.
and they're helping him hold it. Naughty family. Well, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching it with us. It was very fun. Please tell us in the comments below which was your favorite worst design. And give us a like.
And then
Goodbye.